A visit to a zoo. Last Sunday, I went to the zoo with my friends. We were all very excited about it. Only 2 days ago, the majestic white tiger had arrived in the zoo. We purchased tickets at the entrance and went inside. The first thing that I noticed was the greenery and air was very pure. To our right was a big cage housing some monkeys. Some monkeys, some of the monkeys were taking rest while the younger ones were playing and jumping around. They were gleefully accepting the eatables that were thrown toward them. I and my friends also threw some eatables, and we were happy that the monkeys ate what we threw. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe.